Well, I'm back on the boat, and I first order of business when I got back to town was I ran past Sure Marine and picked up the Webasto heater head, furnace head, and have reinstalled it. And other than doing the fuel delivery and return line backwards to begin with, which, what an idiot. I got it in there. It's running right now. The first startup, it did smoke a little. So I'll watch it and see if it's still going to smoke a little at startup or not, but maybe it is just going to do that. So it's currently raining up here. I don't know if you can really see that over my shoulder, but it's quite rainy. I did make it to the boat show yesterday. When I got here, I kind of just ran around and did errands and then jetted right off to the boat show because it was Friday when I got here, and I didn't really want to be battling the crowds to be in there on the last Saturday of the thing. So got that out of the way, visited all the people I wanted to visit, got some pricing on a rib, or an inflatable rib for the tender, and a couple other things. I did talk to one guy who sells electric drives and batteries and all that, and I said, are we at the point where a guy could do a 42-foot trawler all electric? And he said, oh yeah. And then he proceeded to tell me how you'd leave the fuel tanks there and you'd put a generator in and run the generator, and without the generator, a couple batteries, they get you an hour of runtime. And I'm like, an hour? That just, how far can you go in an hour? Well, 6 knots. If you're doing 6 knots per hour, you can go 6 nautical miles. Not that far. So electric, not here yet. But when it really gets here, I'd pull these diesel engines out of here in a heartbeat if I could. I mean, if it was really doable, I'd do it. I don't know if you caught this, but at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, I did not go there, but I watched a couple of videos. Some company presented a solid state battery. So not lithium, not flooded lead, not AGM, solid state diodes and capacitors, as I understand it. So maybe there's another big, big change coming in that front, but not for us right now. So anyway, I do have the heater running. I'm going to keep an eye on it throughout the day and see how it does when it starts up. See if we get a little smoke every time. Maybe we're just going to have to live with it. But I got a few other things to do inside the boat here while it's rainy. So I'll dive in and do a couple of those things. All right, well, I just thought I'd give you a quick update here. It's Thursday today. I do have to go back to Salt Lake this weekend. I've got to be back there for a little bit. One of my daughters is going out of town, and I'm on dog duty. But right now, the weather is quite frightful here. I mean, the wind's blowing, well, right now it's between 25 and 35 miles an hour. Out of the north. It's bringing cold wind right down out of Alaska, I think. So it's in the 30s, and the sun is shining a little bit, which is helping kind of keep the boat reasonably warm inside. I've got a couple little electric heaters going, and the diesel heater's been turning on a lot. The diesel heater is still smoking when it starts up for about a minute, 2 minutes maybe tops, and then it quits. So it's not smoking all the time, but it is still smoking when it starts up. It just annoys the hell out of me because I hate looking out there and seeing a big pile of gray smoke going up between me and the boat next to me, but that's not much I can do about it right now. I may call the guys over there at Sure Marina and just talk to them and say, should I be doing something else with this thing or what, But anyway, obviously not getting anything done outside of the boat today because it's dang nasty. And I am waiting for a package to show up, so I don't want to head back to Salt Lake just yet, in hopes that package will make it here and I can pick that up. But then after that, I think I'll probably head south again. So there's my update. Not a ton of progress this go around, but it is what it is, right? It's winter time.